If you're considering purchasing from LANDWIN Industrial, there are several things you absolutely need to know first. This company offers a range of industrial products that have caught the attention of many. But with so many competitors in the market, how do you know if they're the right choice for you? Stick around because I'm going to break down 7 key things you need to know before making your decision. Stay tuned because I'll also tell you how you can get the best offer and a completely free trial from the first link below. First, let's talk about their product quality. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited has built a strong reputation for offering durable and reliable industrial machinery. Compared to other players in the market, they emphasize long-lasting performance, which is a must-have for industrial applications. Whether you're looking for equipment for manufacturing, heavy-duty operations, or custom solutions, the build quality of LANDWIN's products is often noted for its superior construction, meaning fewer replacements and longer-term savings. Next thing you'll want to consider is their pricing. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited positions itself in a competitive pricing bracket. Unlike some premium brands that charge excessively for standard machinery, LANDWIN offers a balance of affordability and quality. They're a solid choice for small to mid-sized businesses looking to save on initial costs without compromising performance. Of course, the pricing might vary depending on the product and your specific needs, so it's always a good idea to compare it to similar options from other industrial suppliers. The third thing to note is their customer support. A lot of industrial buyers overlook this, but after-sales support can make or break your experience. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited provides a good customer service framework. Their team is accessible and they offer troubleshooting, maintenance, and spare part services. This can be a game changer if you run into any operational issues, especially considering some competitors might leave you to fend for yourself with limited support options. Now, let's talk about shipping and delivery. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited has made strides to streamline their shipping process. They offer both local and international delivery options, which can be a deciding factor if you're looking for something with a quick turnaround. Compared to other suppliers, their delivery times are generally competitive, though it's always wise to confirm lead times directly with them, especially for bulk or custom orders. The fifth point is their range of product offerings. LANDWIN offers a wide selection of industrial products, but there's a crucial detail you should know. While they offer versatility, some other brands might offer more specialized machinery or unique features for specific needs. Depending on what you're after, it's worth doing a bit of extra research to ensure you're getting the perfect fit for your operations. Next, let's talk about customization options. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited excels in tailoring solutions based on your specific requirements. If you're in a niche market or need certain modifications, they offer customization on several of their products. This is an area where they stand out from the competition, as many other industrial suppliers either offer limited customization or require you to pay extra for it. It's something to keep in mind if you need more than just a one-size-fits-all product. The seventh and final thing you should know is about warranties and guarantees. LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited offers solid warranty terms on their products, which is an essential factor for industrial machinery. Their warranties typically cover a good range of issues, providing peace of mind that your investment is protected. This is particularly important when compared to some competitors who might offer limited warranties that don't cover all potential issues. So, if you're seriously considering purchasing from LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. This is where you'll find the best offer, including a completely free trial to experience the product firsthand. You can try out LANDWIN's machinery for yourself, get an exclusive deal, and see if it's the right fit for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the first link below and get started with LANDWIN Industrial Co. Limited today.